When searching for your dreams, remember, often our biggest battle is with ourselves. It's a struggle without belief that transforms your dreams into reality. The path to success can sometimes be tough, filled with challenges and hardships. But those struggling moments reveal our true strength. Inside all of us, there are these inner foes trying to fuel our self doubt, fear, and worries. But we possess a power, self confidence. It's that crucial force that propels us forward at every twist and turn. There will come a time when it feels like it's all over. But by staying immersed in your confidence, you can turn your dreams into reality. Life will find a new path and you will progress towards your destination. To chase your dreams, you need hard work and determination. But these dreams within you, they are the ones that will make you feel alive in reality. So, have faith in yourself, persevere, and turn your dreams into reality. Dreams do come true when we fully commit ourselves to them. Success is the name of that journey where losing is not a setback but a new beginning of trying. Sometimes it takes time for dreams to come through, so keep pursuing them and remain determined to lead yourself towards a final destination. This could be a story of success, and you can be a part of it. When you chase your dreams and turn them into reality, your life is in your hands. Work on it to improve or waste it in idleness. Have you ever thought that life can be a puzzle and you are searching for those missing pieces? You are not alone. We all feel doubtful and supportive at times, but it's all part of life. One thing is for sure, success will come with its challenges. But remember, they are not problems, they are steps. Every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. It's where you discover your true strength. Think about your dreams and aspirations. What inspires you? It could be a career, a hobby, or a goal. Whatever it is, hold on to it firmly. Making mistakes is entirely normal. It's a way of learning. Surround yourself with positivity. Stay with those who uplift you. Believe in your dreams. Respect those who respect you. As you progress in this journey, ask yourself, what is my passion? What do I want to do? Always remember, sometimes we need to ask ourselves, do we make big problems out of small ones? Do we carry past mistakes with us? It doesn't mean that success should come every time. It means that you are you, and your dreams and desires are important to you. The remote control of your life is in your hands. In the end, you are responsible for how your life turns out. The world is indeed beautiful, but not everyone living in it is good. You will only survive when you fight for yourself. Think about yourself. Otherwise, people won't take long to divert you from your path.